The Honda CB350 platform has been an important one for the Japanese bike maker. It has also been a versatile one with the CB350 Highness and the CB350 RS coming out of it. Honda plans to expand this range further, but not in the way that you think. The custom kits have been designed to introduce novice CB350 customers to customization. These kits can be bought separately and have been designed to bolt on directly to both the CB Highness 350 and CB350 RS, so customers have a vast canvas to play with. Let's start with the best looking kit here, the Cafe Racer Custom. While the CB350 range plays the retro card well, the Cafe Racer kit injects a Japanese retro flavor into the mix. The custom kit here is for the CB350 RS. It gets a cool looking headlamp cowl and rear seat cowl. The seat cowl is removable to convert the single seat layout to double seat configuration. The Highness CB350 also gets a Cafe Racer kit. Unlike the CB350 RS kit, this one gets a dedicated single seat configuration with a differently styled rear seat cowl. It also gets cool looking retro stickers on the fuel tank that go well with the chromed out engine guards. The Highness also gets a Tourer custom kit. It adds a large fly screen, knuckle guards, white foot pegs and saddle stays along with a rear rack besides the chrome trim and fork boots. The Tourer kit also includes split seats with reworked foam for better cushioning over long rides. The Comfort custom kit is similar to the Tourer custom kit but misses out on wider foot pegs and rear rack and gets a backrest instead. The split seat too is finished in black. Honda has a custom kit for the Solo Adventurer as well. Called the Solo Carrier Custom, it gets a single seat configuration with a rear carrier instead of a pillion seat. The custom kit also includes a short visor besides chrome bits and wheel stripes. The last and most affordable kit is the SUV Custom. Based on the CB350 RS, it offers a more rugged take with a small visor, knuckle guards, engine bash plate and saddle stays, besides the blacked out engine guards and wheel stripes. These custom kits offer not just new but existing Honda CB350 customers a wide array of personalization options. These kits impress with its fit and finish levels and offer a straight from the factory look in terms of quality. This is a good way to expand the CB350 lineup and allows customers to partake in the excitement of building your own motorcycle.